DIY Wheelchair Ramp, a simple guide.
Hello, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we are going to talk about how to build your very own DIY wheelchair ramp. This video is for you if you want to increase accessibility around your home. You don't need to be a construction pro, just follow the steps and you'll have a fully functional ramp in no time. Let's go over the materials you will need. Safety is paramount, so please ensure you have the proper protective gear before starting.
What are the basic materials needed?
To start, here is a list of the basic materials you will need. Plywood sheets. This is for the base of the ramp. It's strong, smooth and easily paintable. 2x4 lumber. These will be used as the supporting joists for the ramp and side railings. Galvanized screws. These screws resist rust and will keep your ramp sturdy. Non-slip ramp covering. To add traction and prevent slipping on the ramp. These are the primary materials you will need, though keep in mind, sizes and quantities will vary based on your ramp specifications.
What additional tools will I need?
In addition to the materials, you're also going to need the following tools. Tape measure, to measure the ramp dimensions and ensure accuracy. Circular saw. This will be used to cut your plywood and 2x4s to the desired sizes. Drill. You'll need this to secure your structure with the galvanized screws. Level. This tool is essential to ensure your ramp is properly balanced. Remember, proper tool handling is crucial to ensure your safety during construction.
What safety gear should I have?
We must not forget about safety gear. Working with tools and wood can pose some risks, so it's important to be prepared. Here's what you'll need. Safety glasses, to protect your eyes from dust and flying debris. Gloves, to protect your hands while handling the wood and operating the tools. Safety shoes. These will protect your feet from any falling objects. Remember, safety first. There you have it. These are all the materials and tools you'll need to construct a DIY wheelchair ramp. It's a great project that not only challenges your DIY skills but also improves accessibility. Before you begin, make sure to plan out the size and slope of the ramp, as these factors will influence how much material you need. Good luck, and enjoy your build. Next time, we'll talk about the construction process step by step. So, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects.